Beautiful seagulls. This is Sharjah. This is the creek, and see the beautiful play of seagulls. Lovely sight. Afternoon time, and nice to see the fun and frolic of the seagulls. It's a narrow water body, and these guys are getting their food. A lot of fishes there, I believe, and they're all happy. Now you can hear their sound as well. Look at the boat which has just entered and disturbed their frolic, but again they will come up. Beautiful view. So again they are back. So let the water settle down. Love it. This is called seagull time. Nice crystal clear water. These are the backwaters of Arabian Sea. The skyline of Sharjah, all high-rise buildings, concrete jungle. It's quite a contrast. Nature and modernity.